Hello friends, myself Ravi, welcome to my channel. In today's video, we will learn about style and color in HTML. So without getting late, let's dive into the video. Now we will try to implement some styling on this HTML tag. What does styling means? Styling means you want to give this structure of HTML a little bit good look and feel so that it looks better on the UI. So that's why we add something called CSS, that is cascading style sheet. So in this video we will just take a basic look on how we can apply styling on these HTML tags. We want to go very deep into the CSS. For that we have a complete different course of HTML with CSS, but in this tutorial I will give you the basic idea of how you can apply styling on your tags. Okay, so in order to apply styling, you can type into this h2 tag style equals to, in double quotes, you need to give some property. Suppose if I want to give some color to this text, okay, so then you need to write color. Okay, color is the property, and then colon, you can give the value to this color. So suppose we want to color it as red, so I will give red, and if I refresh the browser, you can see, right, this text is in red color. Now I also want to add some background color to this text. Okay, so let's add that also. So give one semicolon and then add one more property, that is called background color. Background color, give colon. So this is the property, and now we will assign the value to this property. So let's say background color as blue. Okay, and now if I refresh it, you can see the background color of this text has been changed, right? So this is how you can apply a styling on this h2 tag. Similarly, you can also style your paragraph. So let's type style equals to, suppose let's change the font style. Okay, so let's type font style. Okay, and give it to italic. If I refresh the browser, you can see this paragraph is now italic, right? And if you want, you can add a background color and give it, suppose aqua. Okay, and if I refresh it, you can see, right, the background color of this paragraph has been changed. You can also provide the styling to the container tags. Okay, so you can also add style equals to, let's say, background color, and I want black, and if I refresh the browser, you can see the background color black has come on the body section, right? So complete page is now black. So that's how you can add styling to your container tag also. Okay, so in this way you can apply styling and colors to your HTML tags. That's it for styles and color. If you have any doubts regarding this tutorial, please comment it below. I will definitely try to answer it. If you haven't subscribed our channel, please do subscribe our channel to get more updates. Thanks and have a nice day.